Hey everyone, so welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel my dear friends. I am back again with another job notification and this time this job notification has come without gate. What is it about? It is about SJVN, which is a mini Ratna PSU, and they have announced vacancies for civil, electrical as well as mechanical. So it is a joint venture of Government of India, that is the central government, and the Government of Himachal Pradesh. Okay. So, what are the vacancies that have been released? In civil field engineer 25 vacancies, mechanical 15, electrical 25. I'll talk about electrical. It requires a full-time degree in electrical and electronics from a recognized institute. So, that is EE as well as EEE. Both are acceptable. And the age limit is 30 years on the closing date. So, most of the candidates will be eligible. The remuneration for a field engineer is 60,000 rupees. This is fixed. It is inclusive of EPF, that is Employee Provident Fund. So it includes EPF. And what is the project for which they are asking you to join? For Arunachal Pradesh except Itanagar and the area within 50 kilometers of Itanagar, you will get 100%. And Itanagar and within 50 kilometers of Itanagar, it is fixed 50%. So fixed remuneration plus 100% of fixed, that is double. So 1.2 lakhs, 60,000 plus 50% of 60,000 is 90,000. And Jangi Thopan Power HEP and Devasari HEP is 25%. That is 60,000 plus 25%, that is 75. Okay. Now, other benefits include increment at 5%, 4%, 3% on the basis of PAR rating. You will get rating of excellent, very good and good. And you will have 30 days of earned leave, 30 days of earned leave, which can be cashed or you can carry it forward to the next year. Either you can encash it. You will also be entitled to TADA, travel allowance and dearness allowance, if you want to go on tour with official duty applicable rates. Okay. In addition, medical facility for first year and self and family, that is spouse and 2 dependent children during the second year and onwards, will be subjected to a maximum of 1 month remuneration. That is, the medical facility that you will get will be equivalent to your 1 month salary. Okay. Now, these are the vacancies as I already told you. That is 25 vacancies in electrical, 3 in SC, 1 in ST, 6 in OBC, 2 in EWS and unreserved are 13. Okay. Now, I am not talking about this disability part. You can go through it. I'll get this link posted in the description of this video. Now, what is the selection process? That is important. It contains a CBT or a written test followed by GD and PI, which is a very standard procedure for PSU. Now, the marks in the written test carry a weightage of 75%. GD carries a weightage of 10%. Interview carries a weightage of 15%. And your centers will include New Delhi, Chandigarh, Dehradun, Shimla, Mandi, Bilaspur, Kullu, Kangra, Hamirpur and Solan. Now, you have to choose 2 centers as a preference, preference 1 and preference 2. Mainly, you will get your preference 1, but if it is not available because Delhi will be overcrowded, then you will get preference 2. The test will have 2 parts. Part 1 will have 120 questions of relevant discipline, electrical, mechanical, civil. Part 2 will have 30 MCQs on aptitude, total of 150 question. Okay. Now, minimum qualifying marks are 40%, above which your merit will be counted. That is, below 40%, you will not even be considered for GD and PI. So, 40% for SC, ST, PWD and 50 for others. That is OBC, unreserved, EWS, all 50%. And you can be placed anywhere in India or abroad as per the requirement. So, above 18 years of age, Indian national can apply. You must first check if you are fulfilling the eligibility criteria. The website is sjvn.nic.in. Okay. Now, admission at interview document verification stage will be purely provisional subject to satisfying eligibility condition. That is, during your document verification, if you are fulfilling eligibility, then only they will consider your document. Just admit card or interview call letter if you have does not imply that your candidature has been cleared. That means you are an eligible candidate does not imply by your admit card or your call letter. First of all, your documents will be verified after the written test, then only they will say that whether or not you are eligible. Because suppose you fill the form, you are not eligible. In that case, they will go through with the process, but they will eliminate you at document verification, beta. इसलिए please make sure that you fulfill the eligibility criteria, then only apply. Okay. Engagement is temporary and it is contract basis on a initial period of 3 years. That is minimum 3 years you are going to get, and it may be extended on yearly basis for 2 more years. That is maximum of 5 years. Okay. And it will be regulated by company's rules. And so candidate that will be called for personal interview and document verification, you will be reimbursed a second class AC sleeper rail fare. So that is your travel expenses are also covered, and accommodation also they'll give depending upon how much time they need from you. And they can increase or decrease the number of posts. That is, in future these posts can also be increased by the management. Okay. And other than that, applying, how to apply, you need to visit their website sgvn.nic.in. Okay, you have to apply online. So you must have a valid email ID. Make sure that you use your email ID that is active at this point of time. So application sequence number, user ID, password and all other important communication will be sent to your email ID. So make sure your email ID is working. Personal detail and educational qualification detail you must have with you. And you must have a scanned copy of your passport size photograph which is less than 500 KB size. Debit card, credit card, internet banking, 3 modes they are accepting. Okay. And your fees is 600 plus GST, which will be around how much? It will be around 700. And if your application is rejected, you will not get any refund. Okay. So make sure that you visit their official website. Online registration will start from 21st of December, that is Wednesday 10 AM, and it will close on 10th of January. That is, you have 20 days to apply. Okay. So just go through this job notification very, very carefully, and if you are eligible, if you are interested, make sure that you apply for this job, and be sure that you are applying to the official website and you are beware of any fraudulent activities. So I hope this helps. The link will be put in the description. Go through the link and then apply. Let's crack it.